In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Messenger Kids app not working. So in order to fix this, you first need to head over and make sure that it's on the latest update or the latest version. Head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger Kids and make sure to get the latest updates by clicking on the green button. So once you have determined that it's not the latest update that's causing the bugs, you can head over and try to uninstall it and reinstall it again. Doing that will make a fresh restart onto your actual messenger. So I have in here this query about this person about kid cannot send on messages on kids messenger. You can check your internet connection, restart your device, check your device storage, reinstall the application, and check parental controls if this is actually enabled. So it might be helpful to contact Facebook support or check the help center if none of this actually works. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.